Okay, so we're all set up. We're going to be showing you how to do the daily milk line rinse and clean, and also clean the milk line cappuccino maker there as well on a daily basis. So take the milk line out of the milk bottle, top the jug up with some tap water, not boiling water, just tap water, cold is fine. Put the milk line in the water, and I would normally put a little jug under that as well to catch the dirty water, and then just hit milk, and that'll pull the clean water through the milk line and rinse the milk line, and that needs to be done every day. We'll just let that go. I would do that 3 times. Push the milk 3 times to pull as much water as you can, just so you see the milk tube go nice and clean. That'll run. And you'll see a nice clean water come through, and that just rinses the milk line out on a daily basis. So it's nice and clean. We'll just speed that up and stop that for you. So I would repeat that step 3 times, and then that milk line should be nice and clean.